Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to reboot your XIAOMI Smart Camera C100. Let's begin. So, normally you probably would reboot your camera by just pressing and holding the reset button here, but actually reset button is only made for factory resets, not soft resets, which are basically rebooting your camera. So if you want to reboot it, you first need to head into the XIAOMI Home application. Of course, if you don't really have it, let's make sure that our device is online maybe. If you don't really have it, you want to watch our install dedicated software tutorial. Anyway, after you have done that, let's simply open our camera here. And now we can simply go and enter the three dots in the top right corner and go into camera settings. Then, right at the bottom, we should see on the red font, Reboot Device, and you can just click this. And we have the little warning that the restarting the device will take a while, and if we are sure we want to continue, we want to hit OK. And after a moment, our device should reboot and we should no longer see the footage of our camera because the device is rebooting. Of course, it's pretty hard to predict how long it will last. Usually it's somewhere between few minutes, 1 minute to a few minutes. If it's struggling or if it's way too longer than that, you probably want to perform a factory reset and just connect your camera once again. And if you don't know how to do it, you can always watch our pair with application tutorial or factory reset tutorial. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.